My image of aging has three pros. The first one shows the elderly with a unique, valuable life experience, which we can learn from. It shows them standing tall, being independent, and facing new life experiences with dignity. The cons are many, because most of these are stereotypes that society holds about aging people, and they influence to a large extent the way they treat the aged. They are viewed as lonely and isolated, as depicted by the picture. They are viewed as weak and unproductive. They are also seen as being on the path to death. They are seen as less valuable than other members of society, and as such, enough resources are not allocated for their care. They are also viewed as a burden to society and the family. So these are my images of aging.